In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link items in monday.com using the Connect Boards feature, making it easy to connect related tasks, projects, and records across boards. Start by opening the board where you want to create the links. Click the plus add column button on the right side of your board and search for Connect Boards. Select it to add the column. A setup window will appear. Choose the board you want to connect to. You can link items from another board or even connect items within the same board depending on your workflow. If you'd like to display information from linked items, enable Create Mirror Column. This allows you to show details such as status, due dates, owners, or other fields directly on your current board without opening the linked board. Next, choose the relationship type. You can allow one item to connect to multiple items or create a one-to-one connection depending on how your data is structured. Click Connect Boards to finish the setup. Now, to link items, click a cell inside the new Connect Boards column. A search window will appear showing available items from the connected board. Search for the item you want, select it, and the link will be created instantly. Once linked, you'll see the connected item displayed in the column. If you added mirror columns, related information will automatically appear and stay updated whenever changes are made. That's it. Using Connect Boards and mirror columns helps you build relationships between tasks, projects, customers, deals, or any other data in monday.com while keeping everything organized and synchronized.